Neighbors, what's good? It's your guy DJ Neighborhood, and where I'm at, man, you know I probably gonna take the Z out for some snow slime, but I can't. It's just that cold and she's stuck. So where I'm at, it's snow everywhere. It probably done snowed all last night, but now we stuck. So this where I'm at. God damn. Just showing y'all what it's like. I got snow all down the toe, man. Let's see, wonder how hard it is to open the door. Shit, I'm glad that didn't break. God damn. It's like I just got in the bat cave. Oh, I'm gonna crank it up. We're gonna get a cold start to see what it's like while it's cold. Hold on. Just for the record, I don't know how this gonna be. It's gonna be my first time cranking it up because I didn't go nowhere yesterday. I cranked it up, but I didn't go nowhere right now. The snow is almost covering my tires, so I'm gonna do a cold start. I don't know how it's gonna be, how it's gonna sound. I got snow in the toe, man, but I'm gonna figure out. This might be loud. I don't really know. We like this, man. Look how deep that snow is, man. But I still want to get her out there, but you know I ain't gonna be able to like talking about. But yeah, man, she all snowed in, man. I guess my neighbor don't care about that dog. But yeah, man. Yeah. So far it's just like you can tell how deep it is. Look, like up under the car, how the ground is, and then it come up like. Ground right there, then it come up. Yeah, man, just how bad it is. Yeah, down bad this time. All right, neighbor, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna see if the motherfucker actually will move or something. So let's see. Epic fail. So I felt it spin a little bit, but hey, like right there you can see how deep it is, like from like where I just was to where it's at now. I mean, don't look really deep, but hell, you know, it's deep enough for where I live at, and it barely budged. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to show y'all where I'm at, how much it snowed and shit like that, and can't do too much or nothing. But yeah, overall, can you drive your car? Can you drive your Z while it's snowing? I doubt it. But yeah. Alright, the Z stuck, ain't no moving her backup plan. We're gonna take these bolts out this skateboard. After we take those bolts out, this should be a snowboard. Oh shit. Take one. Oh, with the 360. Oh, stop playing with him.